This is paragraph 3, the last of the paragraphs for the reading The Greenhouse Effect. Which gases are greenhouse gases? Should there be any greenhouse gases in the atmosphere? And is the greenhouse effect good or bad? So let's read this through, and then there's an exercise at the end of this that I expect that you will do. In the same way that a greenhouse can hold in heat, Earth's atmosphere holds in thermal energy. Key word in this paragraph. When the Earth's atmosphere collects excess carbon dioxide, and what does the word excess mean? It means too much or more than necessary. So when Earth's atmosphere collects excess carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane, nitrous oxide, and other greenhouse gases, a disruptive greenhouse effect can result. Although these gases do not interfere with solar radiation entering the Earth, they do interfere with the thermal radiation trying to leave Earth's atmosphere. And so if you think about this, solar radiation coming in comes through the greenhouse gases, but thermal radiation trying to leave the planet gets absorbed by greenhouse gases and held into the atmosphere. So instead of letting heat waves escape out into space, these extra gases absorb the heat waves and reflect them back down to Earth's surface. This can eventually change Earth's climate and cause the Earth's climate to warm up for the worse. So take your green colored pencil, and we know what thermal energy is. Thermal energy is heat. Excess carbon dioxide, more than is necessary. The greenhouse effect, instead of letting heat waves escape, the extra greenhouse gases absorb the heat waves and reflect them back down to Earth's surface. That is the greenhouse effect. Main ideas, a couple. What are the greenhouse gases? Here they are. Carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane, nitrous oxide. Ozone is considered to be a greenhouse gas. These gases do not interfere with solar radiation entering the Earth. And you'll remember this solar radiation, this is radiant energy. Radiant solar energy. But the greenhouse gases do interfere with thermal radiation leaving Earth's atmosphere. Again, double underline here. Instead of letting the heat waves escape, the extra gases absorb the heat and hold them inside Earth's atmosphere. So there is a little exercise. Make sure that you have this page marked. So your task is to label and describe what is happening in this graphic. Now I've asked you to draw in the sun and show solar radiation striking the planet. Let's not take it all the way down to the planet. Just put the sun in here and show that there is solar radiation coming in. Okay? Because I want you to be able to label what's happening down here. Obviously we have the atmosphere and the Earth, and I want you to be able to clearly label what's happening here. Label everything that you see. What are these things? In fact, you should be able to look at them and tell which greenhouse gases they are. And so I want you to label these greenhouse gases. And then look at these arrows and describe what these arrows indicate. And you can write your description up to the side or write it on the back of the page. But I want you to label everything that's happening. Label these molecules and describe, this is actually the greenhouse effect happening. In a sentence or two, Describe the processes that you see shown in this diagram. Okay. I'll bring it to class and we'll see how you do.